The Red Cross is hoping to help some local people prevent future fires this weekend.
Savannah and Thunderbolt are two communities selected for free smoke alarm installations. News 3's Martin Staunton shares the details for your safety.
I'm just outside the Senior Center in Thunderbolt, one of two local communities selected of 100 communities across the country by the Red Cross where Sound the Alarm events will be held this weekend. This event is a free smoke alarm installation event and much more.
Most of all, teaching them how to utilize a smoke alarm so that they know how to test it and they know how to practice in a family escape plan to get out of their home within 2 minutes or less.
Those 2 minutes can be the difference between surviving a fire or becoming a fire fatality. Shepard says the smoke alarm is key to maximizing your family's chances for survival, but people also need an exit strategy.
Ensuring that families know exactly what to do when an emergency occurs in their home. It also teaches them how to utilize their smoke alarm, how to test it on a monthly basis.
Sound the Alarm begins Saturday morning with the Savannah event. Volunteers and firefighters will gather at the Heaven Bound Baptist Church on Quaco Road. It runs from 8:30 in the morning until noon. On Sunday, Thunderbolt volunteers and firefighters will gather at the Senior Center before fanning out into the nearby neighborhoods. It runs from noon to 3.
We're coming in as a friend, not as a foe. We want to make sure that your family is safe so that you don't perish in a fire and or you don't have any type of injury that's related to a fire.
And Shepard says the Red Cross can still use some volunteers to help out with the Sound the Alarm event. If you can lend a hand, you can either show up at either location or give them a call. Reporting in Thunderbolt, I'm Martin Staunton, WSAV News 3.
From our low country